Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial for the WWE 2K25 game. In this video, I'm going to show you how to perform the finisher of your respective superstar within this game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the WWE 2K25 game on your device and begin any of your preferred match. Now, once you're inside your match, in order to perform your finisher, you will need to execute significant damage to your opponent so that the orange bar is filled up underneath the signature bar displayed in blue on your character's HUD. You can store up to a total of 3 finishers, and the bar will fill up every time you perform any move to dish out damage to your opponent. Once you have at least 1 bar filled, then this means that you are now able to perform your desired finisher. In order to perform it, you will need to satisfy the conditions first. Most superstars can perform finishers while facing their opponent on a standing position. Just press the right trigger plus the A button on your joystick, and this will perform the finisher right away. In order to check all of the varieties of finishers that is available to your superstar, you can just pause the game and then choose the moves option. Now, after choosing your appropriate superstar, you can find the various conditions that you will need to be in order to execute your finisher. If you're playing with the keyboard, then the default control for finishers is to press the space button and then press the K button. This will then perform the finisher of your superstar. Try performing different kinds of finishers if you have multiple finishers available to fill up the stars at the top left corner. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to perform finishers on the WWE 2K25 game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.